Hello, my name is John from Webbers and Braunton, and today we're at Midfields for a video tour. This is a fantastic opportunity for someone to buy a large detached home overlooking the great field, fantastic views, currently arranged with two separate properties inside. Perfect if you'd like to rent an area out and also live in the next bit, or for dual occupancy. However, if you wanted to make the property one large home once more, it would make for a fantastic place, especially if you were to make it reverse living with those beautiful vistas in the living space, and obviously this lovely garden which is enclosed and private as well. And to the front you'll see there's loads of parking and a nice double garage as well. Let's take a look. Okay, so firstly here we are outside the front. As you can see, loads of driveway parking with this bay here, and then a gated driveway. So plenty of space for vehicles. Gated driveway through with more space, and then a fantastic double garage. And as the property is split currently into two, you can go this way through to the top floor accommodation and the right hand side, and if you go through that door there, you've got the left hand side and mainly ground floor accommodation. As you can see, it's got a front garden as well, which wraps around the side back into that lovely space that we saw a minute ago to the rear. More garden here. Let's take a look inside. So here we are in the rear porch here, which is also a utility space with plumbing. Got the door here which connects through into the other apartment. So as you can see, it easily flows into one, or can be just locked off this door and go through. But downstairs we've got this space here, dual aspect with a sink, so it could be a lounge, bedroom, or a downstairs kitchen with built-in storage. Door through to the garage, onto the first floor. To this floor you can see is a lounge space which they used to use. They feature fireplace, dual aspect, nice and light, with a balcony just overlooking those fantastic vistas to the rear there, rolling over the fields to the dunes, and glimpses over the distance towards Heartland on a better day. The cricket club's nearby, easy walking distance to the village. Got a double bedroom here, again with a dual aspect, fitted wardrobes, good size. Another bedroom here, more fitted storage, and as you can see, you could easily take these walls out, reconfigure with the help of an architect to make a fantastic whole home once more again, or keep it as two separate units, whichever you suit. So this is the upstairs kitchen. See, well equipped with plenty of units. And amazing views again. Overlooking the great sized rear garden there, the pond, as it spans around down to the other side as well. This was used as a dining room, could be a bedroom. Down this end you've got storage cupboard, another storage cupboard, bathroom suite with more eave storage, another cupboard, and then there's another shower room here. So you've got two bathrooms to this floor as well. Like I say, really well and easy to configure how it might suit you. And let's just take a look in the second part. Okay, so as we were looking at the front, this is the left-hand side, which is all predominantly a ground floor space with 3 bedrooms, good sized lounge, dining room, the kitchen to the rear, and then connects through to the rest of the property. So we've got double bedroom here with a bay window, plenty of space for furniture, and a large bed there. Another good sized bedroom. Fantastic for all your toys, as you can see. It's a good sized room. And then the third bedroom here. Side access again. And then there's a family bathroom to the back here. 3-piece suite. Good sized little storage cupboard there. And there's another one that backs onto the other side in the garden. And then when you come through here, you can see it's a good sized lounge dining room here. Bay window to the front. That goes through to the kitchen. Which, like I say, if you want to keep its dual occupancy, it is ready to go. Obviously the first floor benefits from those amazing views. Or if you wanted to make this your own home again and have a reverse living, you've got a fantastic scope there to make a really impressive home here on Firstfield Lane. Stunning views, but so central to everything as well. I'll just show you the rest of the garden. See, here we are back out in the rear garden, which, as you can see, is a great space. Apologies, it's a slightly windy day today. We've got a good sized storage cupboard here. The garden. And that backs onto that cupboard I showed you just a minute ago on the ground floor. It's the kitchen window for the downstairs to help you get your bearings. You can see greenhouse, a pond there, some fish, more garden space here. As you can see, it's a really nice sized plot. Just keeps going. Incredibly private. Laid mainly to lawn. And then if you do use it as two, this could be the upstairs accommodations garden. You've got a storage shed there. And then this side garden here, which the ground floor flat uses as well, which takes you back round to the front. But as you can see, it is a really good sized space all around. So that completes the video tour here for Midfields. As you see, it's a wonderful opportunity in a very special spot. So give us a call on 01271 812 263.